Hello viewers, finally I have bought OnePlus Pad Lite. I have bought this tablet from flipkart.com. I paid 13,281 rupees for this tablet. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox this device. As I have bought this from flipkart.com, as you know, Flipkart gives open box delivery. So the box is already opened. On opening the lid of this box, you can find the tablet itself. I will keep the tablet aside for a moment. After that, there is a small paper box. In this you can find the documentation. After that, you will find the 33-watt charger, that is Superbook charger from OnePlus. That is a good thing. You will get the charger inside the box. After that, you will get Type A to Type C cable. This is a typical OnePlus red cable. So these are the box contents that you will get along with this tablet. Now I will unwrap OnePlus Pad Lite tablet. OnePlus Pad Lite feels very lighter in the hand. Though the back looks metallic, it is plastic. And there is OnePlus branding and 5 megapixel camera. On the top you will get volume rocker, then there is power button and 2 speakers, and the left side is clean, and at the bottom you will get Type C port and 2 speaker grills and a microphone hole. There is no screen guard attached with this tablet. This is a 11-inch tablet and you will get the 5 megapixel camera sensor here. Now let's boot the device. OnePlus logo is glowing. When you will boot up for the first time, you will notice these apps. OnePlus Pad Lite comes with 11 inches display, and also you will get 90 Hz of refresh rate. Display seems to be quite well considering the price point, and they have copied the animation and the notification center from Apple. In the long run, I will make a dedicated comparison video between this tablet and iPad 10th generation. There are minimum pre-installed apps and you can uninstall them. There are some OnePlus exclusive apps. The tablet seems to be snappy enough. If you go into the about section of this tablet, you can see that 18.8 GB is occupied out of 128 GB, and it is a MediaTek Helio G100 processor enabled tablet. It has 6 GB of RAM and you can extend the RAM up to 6 GB. Both the front and back camera are of 5 megapixel, and currently this tablet is running on Oxygen OS 15 on top of Android 15. In order to test the display, I played some HDR videos on this tablet. It can play 4K 60 FPS very well, but if you try to play 2K resolution video, in that case it will not support that and you will get stutter and lag. This is not an HDR certified display, but you can play HDR videos in non-HDR mode. As you can see here, it is in 2K. Whenever I will switch in 1080p 60 fps, it will play very well. So up to 1080p 60 fps video can be played. Above that resolution, you cannot have a smoother experience on this tablet. This tablet comes with quad-core speaker, so the speaker quality is also very good on this tablet. This tablet supports up to 500 nits of brightness. Peak brightness is 500, so you will have enough brightness in indoor condition, and it can go very dim as you can see here. So overall this is a very good tablet. I will make review video of this tablet, so stay tuned for that video. Hope this video has become informative to you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.